Hi guys! Today we understand how to manage age restriction settings on X Twitter. First of all, unlock your phone and open the X Twitter app. Make sure you are logged into your account because all privacy and content settings are inside your profile. So just open the app and get ready for the next step. Now look at the top left side of the screen and tap on your profile icon. This will open the main menu where all settings options are available. From here, we can move toward privacy settings. After opening the menu, look at the bottom left side and tap on Settings and Privacy. This section controls everything related to your account, security, and content preferences. So this is an important step. Now scroll down slowly until you find Privacy and Safety. Tap on it, because this is where content visibility and restriction settings are managed. So don't skip carefully. Inside Privacy and Safety, tap on Content you see. Here you can control what type of posts and media are shown to your account. This helps adjust what feels restricted. Now enable display media that may contain sensitive content. Once you turn this on, more content will become visible and restrictions will reduce automatically. Finally, you can adjust your content preferences according to what you want to see. There is no direct age restriction change option, but these settings indirectly control what content is restricted. So that's how you can manage age-related restrictions on X Twitter by adjusting privacy and content settings. It's simple once you know where to look. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more helpful tutorials.